Hey everyone, welcome to the Inspiration College YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to create an online course for free. Are you tired of paying for expensive online courses with limited content? Or do you have a wealth of knowledge that you'd like to share with others? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'll be telling you how to create your own online course without spending a dime. So, let's dive in. Let's look at some platforms for creating an online course. There are a number of platforms available online where you can create an online course for free. Some popular options include Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy. These platforms offer basic features for free and provide a simple way to create, host, and sell your course. Course content and organization. When creating your online course, it's important to have a clear structure and to plan out your content in advance. Start by defining the objective of your course, and then breaking it down into smaller sections or modules. You can use a range of multimedia such as videos, text, images, and audio to create engaging content for your students. Creating and recording content. When it comes to creating the actual content, you can use a range of tools to make the process easier. For example, you can use a screen recording software like OBS or Camtasia to create video content, and audio recording software like Audacity to record audio. When it comes to writing text, you can use word processing software like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Marketing your online course. Once your online course is ready, it's time to promote it. You can use social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn to spread the word, and you can also reach out to your network of friends, family, and colleagues to ask for their support. Additionally, you can use paid advertising options like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. Frequently asked questions. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions about creating an online course for free. 1. Is it possible to create an online course for free? Yes, it is possible to create an online course for free using platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy. However, some features may be limited, and you may need to upgrade to a paid plan to access more advanced features. 2. What type of content can I include in my online course? You can include a range of multimedia in your online course such as videos, text, images, and audio. The type of content you choose will depend on the subject of your course and the type of learning experience you want to provide for your students. 3. How do I promote my online course? There are many ways to promote your online course, including social media, word of mouth, and paid advertising. You can also reach out to your network of friends, family, and colleagues to ask for their support. And that's it for today's video. I hope this has been helpful in explaining to you how to create an online course for free. Don't forget to share your course with the world and make a difference in someone else's life. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for even more inspiring videos. Also, some important links are in the description of this video for you to check out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.